gazing 1080p wireless Wi-Fi doorbell camera is designed to bring a new level of convenience and security to modern home entrances. With its full HD 1080p resolution, it delivers clear and detailed video footage that helps homeowners easily recognize visitors at the door. The wireless Wi-Fi connectivity allows seamless integration with home networks, reducing the need for complex wiring and making installation more flexible for different types of doors and apartments. Its compact and modern design fits naturally with most home exteriors while still offering a strong security presence. This device is built for users who want a simple, yet effective way to monitor their front door without relying on traditional wired systems. One of the key advantages of this doorbell camera is its ability to provide real-time access to your doorstep through a connected mobile device. Whenever someone approaches the door, the system helps you stay informed with instant visual monitoring, allowing you to check who is there even when you are not at home. The 1080p camera ensures that faces and movements are captured with clarity, making it easier to identify guests, delivery personnel, or unexpected visitors. Its wireless functionality supports flexible placement and stable connection, while the camera's imaging performance maintains clarity under different lighting conditions, giving you reliable visibility throughout the day. For homeowners looking to upgrade their home safety system, the gazing 1080p wireless Wi-Fi doorbell camera offers a balanced combination of affordability, performance, and ease of use. It reduces uncertainty at the doorstep and enhances peace of mind by keeping your entrance under watch at all times. Whether you are inside the house or away, it provides an added layer of awareness that contributes to smarter home living. This makes it a practical choice for families, renters, and anyone interested in improving entryway security without complicated setup or high maintenance requirements.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.